Hey, what's going on, y'all? Back to another video, 392 DOS. Go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, and comment button. Here with another video. So today, we're going to be doing the carbon fiber rear valence. I got it right here. Got this off eBay. And maybe, I think it was 125 bucks. Wasn't too bad, but we're going to be installing that with the... I'm not a big fan of I mean, I like this one on the 300. That's basically what that one was on the 300, but I'm not digging this one. It's just a matte black, or I don't know. I'm not really digging it, so definitely gonna go carbon fiber. Also, too, we got some 5-inch carbon tips coming in black, so that's gonna look mean with that. So I'm gonna just show you how to install that. I watched a few videos on it, and it wasn't really like too in depth. But I'm gonna just try to make it fit. I did a 300, me and Car Reviews of Food, she did a 300, so it wasn't too bad. So I feel like I can get this one. So y'all stay tuned, and we're gonna get into it. So we right here with the valence right here. We're gonna try to get the other one on. I'm gonna jack the vehicle up. Some people do it with it on, some people do it with it off. I'm just gonna jack it up. It's a little bit easier, and yeah. So y'all stay tuned for that. So first, there's a push pin right here on both sides. So you just pull this down. I just got a screwdriver, and I'm not really sure. It's a special tool you need, but I don't have the tool. Some people say you can use a butter knife, whatever. I just like pushed it down. Kind of this. Push it down. Bam. It's a weird mechanism, but I don't know. That should come off. And next, there's going to be, as you can see, right here, there is it's a 7mm bolt. So that means you're gonna need a 7mm socket. And I also do suggest jacking up the car. You just get a better view of everything. This would be 4 of these. Now I'm going to like I was saying, there is a push pin right here on this side. So there's a little groove you can stick the flathead in there and just kind of pry it. Dirt, dust. Be able to, oh my gosh. Snappers. So I assume that you gotta push some pins. So kind of messed up my finger, as you can see. Focus in. I just ripped it out, to be honest. Just ripped it out. Rip it. Once you get one, if you get one out, you're good. You're good. That one's out. And now I'm gonna just clean this up, all the dirt, debris. Just wiping out my hand, nothing too big. Get that out. Should be good. And next you just get the old or the new one. And what I've seen is people, they'll just, you can drill into these, but I don't think it holds as good as like the normal one. So what I'm going to do is break it. Let it break it. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to drill as big as this one. I'm just gonna match these two up. Go from there. Just line up these holes from the old valence to the new valence. I'm just going to drill, but there's already holes pre-hashed inside of this. I'm just gonna get a drill and see what size this is. The only reason why I'm getting a drill and doing this because I'd rather have those 7mm bolts rather than, because this valence comes with other screws. So just going to drill. Nice into that. Nice clean drill. Same here. Nice clean drill. Drill. Let's cut the drill. Let's cut the drill. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of them. So 2 go here. And then the 4 7mm bolts. So throw that off to the side. As you can see, I drilled them all. And this is just for the push pin. I don't know, I might go a little bit bigger. I think the push pin will make it a little bit bigger, but I'm just gonna put it on there and then see. Or actually, no, I'm just going to go bigger on the push pin. I can grab the push pin. Pull it out. It hurt my finger pretty bad. It hurts. Just grab this one. Start it out. I'm gonna see if this matches up. See, I need to go bigger on the push pin. So I'm gonna grab my other drill bit. Oh, that's crazy. Because this is the biggest drill bit I have. I might have to go borrow some drill bits. Okay, that works too. So what I did was I improvised, of course. I just put it in there and I went in a circular motion and made the hole a little bit bigger. So let me see if this works before I do the other one. That's the diffuser up. Perfect. Okay. Perfect. So all I need to do is just go a little bit bigger. Should work. Damn. Push that in there. Perfect. Sits in there perfect. Now, I'm gonna try to see if these bolts, yep. Bolts is perfect, so. Yeah, I don't recommend you using whatever it comes with. It comes with some bolts or screws, don't use it. It's not worth it. So I'm gonna set y'all up and we gonna basically reinstall this. So y'all stay tuned. Now we just going to be putting everything, lining everything back up. Make sure you make sure you line up these. I almost just bent one of them. See? Everything's in there. Everything's good. So now, we just button everything back up, do everything the way that I showed you guys how to take it off. And I'm just gonna line up everything first before I do it and go from there. Let's see, oh, there you go. That started. So get this in there. Also, too, make sure you're wearing eye pro, because this is bad. Bam, got that one lined up. Heard it snapping there. I'm gonna tighten these up and show y'all the end result. So as you can see, it is done. I put the clips in over there on that side, and I put the clips in over there on that side, and 1, 2, 3, 4 7mm bolts. It bolts right up, too easy. One thing I don't like is look how much gap and clearance there is from the exhaust tip. I'm not a big fan of that. Oh, scratch it, nope. So 5-inch tips are coming. They should be here Friday. Muffler delete, resonator delete coming with that and the 5-inch tips. Another key issue I almost had was this doesn't line up. There's less tabs, so you have to like kind of push up and hit, and then it should sit in properly. I thought it was gonna be a gap and it didn't match, but it matched. So that's easy. I like that. That was cool. Yeah, it's a pretty quick install, maybe 15 to 20 minutes, you know, if you have the right tools, but it took me about 30 minutes. And yeah, so I just want to say thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for subscribing. If you haven't hit that like, subscribe, and comment button, go ahead and do that. I got more mods coming for the 392 Daytona. We're just gonna go crazy with it. So I appreciate y'all watching. Go ahead and comment, like, subscribe. We're at 315 subs. We're doing a giveaway at 500 subs. So tell me what y'all want to do for the giveaway. Also, too, we're probably about to hit a meet. So I'm gonna just throw some clips in there and get some. Hopefully they race tonight, or hopefully they do burnouts. I'm definitely gonna be swinging mine, the burnout the tires, and get a little intro for my YouTube. So y'all stay tuned for that. I'm out.